Minasan, konnichiwa. Welcome to this module of Kanji learning. I'm sure all of you have learned the kanjis for JLPT N5 level. And today we are going to start learning new kanjis which we didn't study in JLPT N5. So in this module, we are going to learn around 200 kanjis. I'll be explaining you the kanji strokes, onyomi, kunyomi readings. We'll be learning the vocab related to these kanjis. Okay, so let's start. Let me share my screen and we'll start with first 5 kanji characters today. The first kanji which we are going to learn is sumimas. The verb is sumu. Onyomi reading is ju. You might have heard the word ju sho, ju min. Ju is for living, residence. Okay, these are the strokes while writing the kanji. Sumimas is to live, and ju min is inhabitants or residents. So you can see here the radical of the kanji of person appears in this kanji. Okay. Yes. The next one is for place. The meaning of the kanji is place. Readings are sho, jo, or tokoro or dokoro. Okay. Tokoro is place. In some of the words, it becomes dokoro. For example, dai dokoro. Okay. In some of the words, this changes to dokoro. So this is the stroke order. Tokoro is place. Jusho is address. In Jusho, the kanji which we learned just now, that kanji of sumu and this kanji of tokoro. Then dai dokoro is kitchen. Sorry for the spelling mistake. It is kitchen. And basho is place. Okay. In basho also you can see the same kanji appears. Okay. Then next one is kyo. The reading of the kanji is kyo, which appears in the word Tokyo. In the word Tokyo, if you see, the first kanji is the kanji of to or higashi. That is for east. Now this kanji means capital, and you can see this in the word Tokyo. Kanji has 8 strokes. This is the stroke order in which you are supposed to write this kanji. Then this kanji means metropolis, or again something related to capital or main city. Readings are to, tsu, or miyako. Tokyo is metropolis of Tokyo. Tokyo. Then tsugo. There is one word, tsugo. Tsugo is convenience. In that word also this kanji is there, where it reads as tsu. Tsugo. And shuto. Shuto is capital. Okay. This shu is the kanji of neck. Kubi. Okay. This kanji is of neck. So main city, Shuto, is capital. Okay. And the last one for today is, the kanji reading is Fu, which is administrative prefecture. Kyoto Fu, Kyoto prefecture. Osaka Fu, Osaka prefecture. So in different prefecture names, you will see this kanji as the ending word. Okay, Fu. So Kyoto Fu, Osaka Fu. And Seifu is government. Okay, Seifu is government. So today we have seen these 5 kanjis. Sumu or Ju. Then Sho, Jo, Tokoro or Dokoro. Then Kyo. Okay. Remember, there will be many kanjis with the same reading. For example, the word kyo, okay, that is that has two kanjis. So you should be very careful. Okay. Then To, Tsu, and Miyako. And the last one was Fu. Okay. Let's continue this in the next video. We will be learning next 5 kanji symbols in the next video. Thank you.